Hey, what's up guys, this is Phil again, and today I'm going to be showing you not anything woodworking related, but a troubleshooting that I had with my lawnmower, my John Deere Model 265. I was mowing my lawn and the grass is really high right now, and something went wrong. The belt for the deck slipped and the belt busted, so I'm going to look it up, take it apart, and see what I can come up with. And I'll show you guys. I like to do most of the stuff myself, so whenever I can, I try to fix it myself. If I can't, I'll just pay somebody to do it, but I always try to fix it myself first. So this is my John Deere Model 265. It's an older tractor, but it's an awesome little tractor. So, oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering, yeah, this is my view from my house. It's an awesome view. So anyway, I'll be showing you guys how I go about fixing this 265 John Deere tractor. So the first thing I did was to take the deck apart. I took the deck apart and I was looking at what might cause the belt to slip. And I came to two conclusions. One, the belt was completely worn. That's the belt right there, and it's I had this belt for like almost 2 seasons now, 2 years, and it just got to the point where it's frayed and it slipped, it's stretched. So that belt, it's no longer good. So that was one of the problems. The second problem was this pulley. This pulley right here. It's the shaft goes through the deck. And because of the deck, it's deteriorating. It's like rusting out, and that pulley, it's not holding on tight. It's just when I put the tension on the belt, it's pressing up against the housing, the metal part of the deck. So it's causing the machine to run with that much friction, because the pulley, it's dragging, it's rubbing on that deck. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that pulley apart, and I'm gonna see if I can put a piece of metal under it and put a through bolt and rig something up there that pulley, it's gonna be no longer moving like that. And I'll show you guys. This is what happened there. It just rusted through the deck of the mower. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip that over, measure, and see what I can do from the other side, and go from there. So this is the piece that was busted. As soon as I tried to remove it off the deck, the whole thing just came out in my hand. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be taking this thing apart, and I'm gonna have to, I'm not gonna weld anything. I'm just gonna put a thick metal plate under the deck. So it's not, this pulley, it's not gonna be relying on that rusted deck to work, so it's gonna be relying on the metal plate. So I'll show you guys how I go about it. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I ended up finding another screw with the same shank, the same diameter as the old one, so I'm just gonna replace it. And because I'm limited with space there, I'm gonna have to put a narrow strip of metal like this, which is like, I think it's still gonna be stronger than the stuff that was there, and it'll last me long enough until until it breaks again. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna put this in there and hopefully it works. So now I got the pulley fixed. It's nice and sturdy now. I think it's gonna be perfect. I went to my local John Deere dealer and they didn't have the belt that I was looking for, which is for my lawnmower model 265, 48-inch deck. So I ended up going to Home Depot and buying this this genetic belt that they have there on shelf. It's called Power Care. It measures 105.75, which is 105 3/4, which is the same exact length as my John Deere one. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if it works, and hope for the best because I gotta mow my lawn. So. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. If you've seen this video, it's probably because it did work. I'm gonna fire it up and see if it's gonna spin, and we'll see.